This is the installation video for the White-Rodgers 791P-751KT1 carrier pilot burner. This 3-wire pilot is made by the only OEM qualified source and is designed for use in carrier and ICP brand units. The kit includes everything you need to replace or upgrade an older 2- or 3-wire bimetal style pilot burner assembly in units using natural or LP gas. The box includes instructions for easy installation, a 791P-751KT1 pilot burner assembly with pre-installed electrode and OEM Quick Connect plug, and an LP pilot orifice. First, ensure power and gas are disconnected prior to servicing the unit. Remove the access panel. To verify a cross-reference, check the side of the box, installation instructions, or the White-Rodgers mobile app. Disconnect the pilot tubing from the gas valve and separate. Disconnect the 2- or 3-wire wiring going to the existing pilot assembly. For this application, the 3-wire plug can be disconnected. Disconnect the existing pilot assembly and remove from the furnace. Remove the spark wire from the existing electrode. Disconnect the pilot tubing from the existing pilot assembly. Remove the pilot bracket from the assembly, then discard the assembly. The White-Rodgers pilot burner assembly comes with an LP orifice. For LP applications, remove the factory-installed natural gas orifice and replace it with the LP orifice. For this application, natural gas is used, so the factory-installed orifice can be left in the assembly. Reinstall the pilot bracket on the new 791P-751KT1. Reconnect the existing pilot tubing, tightening snugly. Reconnect the existing spark wire. Reinstall the new pilot assembly in the same position where the existing assembly was. For 2-wire applications, cut off the plug connector and place a wire nut on the green wire. Strip and connect the white and yellow wires using wire nuts. For this application using 3 wires, the plug can be reconnected to the furnace harness connector. Finally, reconnect the pilot tubing to the gas valve, making sure not to cross-thread. Tighten the fitting snugly. The system is now ready to be powered on. Reconnect the electric power and gas to the unit and make sure the door switch is engaged. To check for pilot tubing leaks, make a call for heat and apply leak detection solution to the tubing fittings. Watch for proper ignition and verify no gas delay occurs when gas flows to the burners. Finalize any additional tests and end the call for heat. Reinstall the access panels. The 791P-751KT1 is available wherever White-Rodgers products are sold. For carrier and ICP branded 3-wire pilot furnaces, be sure to check out all our compatible products. Service of HVAC equipment should only be performed by a licensed and properly trained technician. Failing to follow all applicable HVAC standards of operation and maintenance, including applicable codes and manuals, can result in potential hazards, including, but not limited to, electrocution and fire. Thanks for watching the White-Rodgers Premium Pilot Burner Assembly installation video. For more information, visit Copeland.com/791P-751KT1.